is?
I'm sorry. There's no one allowed on this train. It's out of service.
So are you. Here I come! Come on! Here I come!
Not so fast, Doc. I need to see your ticket. Turn back now, Wallflower, or things won't go well for your lady friend. Let Mary Jane go. It's me you want. Jump off the
A few moments later.
That's right, Spidey. Come into my realm.
All right, Doc. I know you're around here somewhere. Maybe handling this a little sneaky-like will save some wear and tear on the Spidey threads.
I'm gonna get me a spider.
Doc has to be around here somewhere.
Better say your prayers.
Doc Ock sure takes his security seriously. What's this? A secret exit? That Ock full of surprises.
Crawler.
Spiderman. This bodes very ill for you, Miss Watson.
Soon, my dear, you will bear witness to the greatest scientific achievement in human history.
Excluding my own creation, of course.
I don't know what you're up to, Pencil Neck, but I predict total failure.
At last, my preparations are complete. Fire up the fusion reactor.
Hi, guys. I'd better find MJ fast. Doc Ock sure takes his security seriously.
Much later.
Bugs are getting smarter. Or something.
There's more of us than there is of him. Take him.
These readings are impossible. Spider-Man must be meddling with the equipment somehow.
Hang on, MJ. Mary Jane, you all right?
Thank you. If you hadn't shown up, I don't know what would.
Thank me later, will ya? You gotta get out of here now.
Gotcha, you menace.
Taking Mary Jane was a big mistake, Ock.
Spider-Man! You won't disrupt my work again.
We better make like a tree and... meddled with my experiment for the last time, Spider-Man. Dr. Octavius, let's not do anything crazy. Or anything else crazy.
Keep joking, Spider-Man. We'll see who has the last laugh.
You got it all wrong, Doc.
Enough of your prattle. Now you'll pay for it, once and for all.
Think again, Squidly. Dr. Octavius, your experiment has failed. Many lives will be lost unless we stop it. Tell me how, please.
Good heavens, my boy. What have I done?
Doctor?
I can still stop this.
Go. Now.